Now I am going to start the another polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, that is the anthracene. So anthracene, as we see the structure of the anthracene, it look that is a linear polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon, and that is composed of the three benzene ring, and three benzene ring are fused to form anthracene. There is a nomenclature starting from the H ring, that is the nomenclature, and we are going to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The middle ring, that is a 9 and 10 position. If the nomenclature is on the basis of alpha beta, you see that that is the alpha, and that is also the alpha, and that is the beta beta. Here C8 also alpha, C5 alpha, and C7 6 7, that is the beta. And alpha beta is the only nomenclature applied for the monosubstituted polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon compound. That is, we already discussed in the nomenclature of the polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon in the introduction part. And here is the another two, the 9 and C9 and C10, it is the denoted as the gamma. So we already discussed about the nomenclature, how the compound name will be written. So now that is going to the direct structure. Before structure, এটা তোমাদের জেনে রাখা ভালো যে অ্যান্থ্রাসিন এটা কোলটারে পাওয়া যায়, এবং এর যে ন্যাপথলিনে যেমন হাই অ্যামাউন্টে পাওয়া যায়, এর যে পার্সেন্টেজটা অ্যান্থ্রাসিনের কোলটারে পার্সেন্টেজ less than 1%, এবং কোলটারে যেটা থাকে সেখানে এটা দুটো ইম্পিউরিটি থাকে, ফেনালজিন এন্ড কার্বালিন ইম্পিউরিটি থাকে, যেটা রিমুভ করা হয় বাই দা ট্রিটেড উইথ দা সলভেন্ট নাপথা। নাপথা ইউজ করতে লাগে ক্রিউড অ্যান্থ্রাসিন, যে অ্যান্থ্রাসিন মিক্সচারটাকে নাপথা দিয়ে naphtha solvent দিয়ে ট্রিট করা হয় টু রিমুভ anthracene, and followed by the pyridine solvent দিয়ে ট্রিট করা হয় to remove the impurity carbide, and these two impurities are present in the crude anthracene, which is the present in obtained from the coal tar. If you go into the structure of the anthracene, you look at that is the cyclic panel. Of course, that is a cyclic panel and contain conjugated double bond, like double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Here is a double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So that is the conjugated cyclic panel, also or not in, and that is the conjugated contain that conjugated ring system. If the carbon and hydrogen, each carbon of the anthracene, that is the carbon which are present in anthracene, that is the sp2 hybridized. C that is the sp2 hybridized. All carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized and form that is the each carbon atom, that is the form having the unhybridized p orbital, and to form the pi molecular orbital. Now you see that each carbon atom, here is the 14 carbon atom present, 14 carbon atom is the present, and both are the sp2 hybridized, having the p unhybridized p orbital which form the pi molecular orbital. That is the sp2 hybridized. If we draw the sp2 hybridized, and that is the sp2 hybridized. You can say that that is the hybrid structure of the resonating, and that is the pi molecular orbital. And if you look the Huckel's rule, that it contains the unhybridized p orbital, each atom contains unhybridized p orbital, and found the 4n plus 2 pi electron. There you see that there is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means that contains the 14 pi electron, and 14 means that n is equal to 3. So that it follow the all of the guideline of the Huckel's rule. So we can say that the anthracene is the aromatic compound like other polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Now going to the resonance structure, it is the formed about the 4 types of the resonating structure or canonical forms. And that is very much important. That is the one form of the resonating structure. Then the second form, here bond is that is the third form of the resonating structure, and it forms another more resonating structure to stabilize it. And that is the fourth form. If you look at the structure of resonating, you see that the C1 and C2 carbon, it is the more double bond character, because among the 4 resonating structure, the 3 resonating structure 1, 2 and 3 A, B, C resonating structure containing the C1 and C2 double bond character, and 1 resonating structure that is the single bond character. So you can say that the C1 and C2 have the more double bond character, and double bond means shorter the bond length, and that's why C1 C2 having the shorter bond length, that is the 1.37 angstrom. And whereas C2 and C3 that containing the more single bond character, because that is the reverse, you see that the only D containing C2 C3 double bond character, and but the remaining three forms are having the C2 and C3 single bond character. So single bond is the longer the bond length, and that bond length is equal to 1.42 angstrom. And if you calculate about the resonance energy, you find that the anthracene having the resonance energy, we already said that the resonance energy কি এটা আমি অলরেডি বলে দিয়েছি। এটা ডিফারেন্স দুটো একটা কম্পাউন্ডের অ্যাকচুয়াল যে ইলেকট্রনিক এনার্জি আর যে মোর স্টেবল কম্পাউন্ড বাই দ্য রেজোনেটিং স্ট্রাকচার, মোর স্টেবল কম্পাউন্ডের যে ইলেকট্রনিক এনার্জি দুটো ডিফারেন্স। তো অ্যান্থ্রাসিনের রেজোনিক এনার্জি 84 কিলো ক্যালোরি, while we already discussed about the benzene 36 kilocalorie. So the resonance anthracene is the fusion of the three benzene ring, but it is the having the resonance energy less than the 3 into benzene. And that is the about the basic introduction of the anthracene. Now going to the direct synthesis part. In the synthesis of the anthracene that the synthesized may be synthesized from the three reaction. Here I will discuss about the 3 to 4 reaction. And first one is the Friedel-Crafts acylation. You know that the Friedel-Crafts reaction is the carry out in the presence of the aluminium chloride. So first starting material used, that is the benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride and benzyl chloride, 2 mole of the benzyl chloride react itself. It eliminates the HCl. It is having the 1 hydrogen and eliminate the 2 mole of the HCl. And form dihydro, and that is the 9 and 10 position. So 9-10 dihydroanthracene, that is the 9-10 dihydroanthracene, which further the unsaturated by the removal of the 2 molecule of hydrogen to form the anthracene. There is another Friedel-Crafts reaction in the carry out in the presence of the aluminium chloride, where the starting material is the benzene and acetylene tetrabromide. That is the acetylene CH triple bond CH, where the bond is formed by the addition of the bromine. So that is that 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrabromide. Acetylene tetrabromide when react with the 2 benzene molecule, and its remove 4 molecules of the hydrogen bromide in the presence of aluminium chloride. The H pair is the removed and it forms the anthracene by Friedel-Crafts reaction. That is the 2 reaction which is comes under the Friedel-Crafts reaction, which carried out in the presence of the aluminium chloride. And another reaction, that is the Howard synthesis. We already studied about the Howard synthesis in the preparation of the naphthalene. Here is the starting material used, that is the phthalic anhydride. You know already the structure of phthalic anhydride, and phthalic anhydride react with the benzene molecule, and it in the presence of the aluminium chloride, and here is the break the molecule, and it form like that. The molecule is break here and benzene is attached here, so we can see that as the molecule is the right like that, and here there is the benzene containing one hydrogen in their structure. So then hydrogen is react with the OH, that is not react, hydrogen is with the OH, it remove the water molecule and form nine ten anthraquinone. And 910 anthraquinone by the distillation with zinc dust. Distillation with zinc dust, it form anthracene. I hope you all understand that in the Howard synthesis 5 we are taking starting material as a phthalic anhydride, and phthalic anhydride react with the one molecule of the benzene in the presence of the aluminium chloride, and it form the adduct form of the anthraquinone, but by the intermediate one form where the water molecule is the removed from the molecule, and it forms the finally from the anthraquinone, and anthraquinone further distillation subjected for distillation, and with the zinc dust it forms anthracene. So already we discussed about the two reaction of the synthesis of the anthracene. There is another mode reaction of the anthracene, that is the Diel-Alder reaction. To know already what is the Diel-Alder reaction. Diel-Alder reaction normally carry out at a high temperature, where the conjugated diene is react with the alkene molecule or unsaturated compound to form the cyclohexane. And here we see that the unsaturated compound is taken as a starting material for the synthesis of the anthracene by Diel-Alder reaction. The starting material taken, that is the 1,4-naphthaquinone, and conjugated diene is taken, that is the 1,3-butadiene, and that is the under addition reaction in the presence of heat, it forms like that, and that is the after further oxidized with the acetic acid and chromium trioxide, it forms the anthraquinone, 9,10 anthraquinone. So you see that that is the reaction of the diol aldate reaction, where we taken the 13 material as a alkene compound, that is the 1,4-naphthaquinone, and here is the in the alkene molecule containing the electron withdrawing group. So the temperature is not carried out at 200 degrees Celsius, it is carried out in the low temperature because the presence of this oxygen moiety, or in case of it contain any CHO moiety, COOH moiety, that reaction is promoted, so that contain the very low temperature. Normally you know that the diol aldate reaction occurs at 200 degrees Celsius, that is the 1,4 addition of the alkene molecule. Here also the 1,4 addition of the unsaturated compound, and it forms the 1,4-anthraquinone. After that, treated with the chromium trioxide and acetic acid. So already we heat the anthraquinone. So after the further process, it has sent to synthesize the pure anthracene, that is the distillation, subjected for distillation under zinc dust. And that is the about the we have discussed about the 4 synthesize process for the synthesis of the anthracene. I hope you already cleared that about the reaction process. So we going to the further topic, that is their chemical reaction of the anthracene molecule. So in the big I going to the start the chemical reaction of the anthracene, and we are going to the chemical reaction. It's having the some properties or physical properties, that is the colorless solids having the melting point 218 to 218 degrees Celsius, and it the boiling point having the 340 degrees Celsius. It exhibits the blue fluorescence when exposed to UV light. যখন এটা অ্যান্থ্রাসিন মলিকুল ইউভি লাইটে দেখা হয়, এটা একটা ব্লু নীল কালারের ফ্লুরোসেন্স শো করে, এবং এই জন্য এটা নরমালি ক্রিমিনাল ইনভেস্টিগেশনে ব্যবহার করা হয়। যে কোনো পার্টিকেল বা কোনো কিছু যেটা খালি চোখে দেখা যায় না, কোনো মেটেরিয়াল যদি প্রেজেন্ট থাকে, তাহলে অ্যান্থ্রাসিন যদি তার উপরে অ্যাপ্লাই করা হয় এবং সেটা যদি ব্লু ফ্লুরোসেন্স শো করে, তাই এটি ক্রিমিনাল ইনভেস্টিগেশনে বা ফরেনসিক টিমরা ইউজ করে এটা। Insoluble in water, as you see that it is a purely aromatic compound, so that is the insoluble in water and dissolved in benzene and ether. I mean aromatic जो organic solvent है it is dissolved. Now going to the chemical reaction of the anthracene. We already studied about the chemical reaction of the naphthalene, where we see that in the carbon 1 and 2 position, the electrophile is the normally attacked in the electrophilic substitution reaction. Here that is the 3 position where the electrophile may be attacked. One is the carbon 1C1 position, second one is the 2 position, and third one is the 9-10 position. So we at first what is the carbocation produced after the reaction of the electrophile. We have to see that, and after that we can conclude that which reaction is the generally occur for the anthracene molecule. Let's see that the when C1 electrophile is attacked at C1 position. C1 position. That is the structure of anthracene, and anthracene when attacked with the electrophile at C1 position, it forms that intermediate forms when C1 attack it occurs at the of the electrophiles of the anthracene molecule into the anthracene molecules. Here is the two intermediate is the form. Intermediate carbocation is the form. And finally the reaction, the final the product is formed like that. The sulfonation of the example of the reaction is the sulfonation. Sulfonation is the normally carried out, normally attack is the C1 position, and when I am going to the C2 position, the similar there is the attack of the electrophile in the occurs. I repeat the reaction. Electrophile attack, and there is the one intermediate is formed. We already saw that, see that in the naphthalene cases also. That is the when electrophile attack at the C2 position, and when electrophile attack in the C9 or 10 position, the carbocation is produced like that. You see that the structure when the electrophile attack the C9 position, and here is the electrophile attack and formation of the carbocation molecule, and here is the one hydrogen atom, and in that cases here present in that cases by the removal of the proton, and here is the bond formation, and we found that a 9 substituted anthracene. But in case of the here is the carbocation is also susceptible for the nucleophile attack, and in that cases the product is formed where in the 10 position nucleophile may be attacked. And if you see the resonance structure, you found that the molecule which containing the C1 and C2 position, that the resonance energy 61 kilocalorie, and in the when attack at the C9 position, here the resonance energy found in that the product form, that is the 72 kilocalorie. And why is the difference? Difference is that when the C1 and C2 attack is formed, there is the formation of the two naphthalene molecule. But in case of the C9, that is the individual two benzene is the occurs. The retain the two benzene molecule. Here is the two retain benzene molecule. So that the two benzene is the two benzene molecule. So that the 36 into 2, that is a 72 kilocalorie per mole. Here is the resonance energy is higher, so that the carbocation is the more stable, and here that is the reason to normally anthracene is the susceptible for the electrophilic substitution reaction at C9 position, or C9 attack is the more susceptible for the anthracene. And because I hope you understand, because in case of C1 and C2 attack, I repeat that C1 C2 attack, here is the retain the naphthalene molecule, and you know the naphthalene molecule, you know that the naphthalene molecule is the less stable because it's having the 61 kilocalorie per mole. And when the C9 and the resonance energy is the less than the two separate benzene molecule which is produced at the C9 attack, carbon 9 attack, and there is the retain the two individual benzene molecule, and this carbocation is the more stable, so that the reaction is the normally the attack is the occurs at the C9 position. So I hope you are understand. Just remember that remember that in the C1 and C2 position there is the retain the naphthalene molecule, and but in the C9 attack there is a retain individual benzene molecule, and that's why that this carbocation is the more stable because it contains the individual benzene molecule, and it is the more stable, so that this attack is normally occurs at the C9 position of the anthracene. So I hope you already cleared that, and on the basis of that reaction there are the various nitration, sulfonation reaction as occurs. I repeat that normally C9 is occurs, but in case of the reaction of sulfonation, that is occurs at the C1 and C2 position, and Friedenthal acylation also Friedenthal acylation reaction also occurs at the C position. Let's see the various examples, various chemical reaction in that portion. So we already discussed about their electrophilic substitution reaction and attack position, that is the 9 and 10 for the anthracene, and here is the various example and which is followed the electrophilic substitution reaction. First one is the halogenation, when anthracene is react with the halogen atom like chlorine, bromine, etc. The chlorination is the form, and the solvent is the present here. Solvent is used carbon tetrachloride in the room temperature. It is formed, first one is the form dichloro anthracene, 910 dichloro, 910 dichloro dihydro, 910 dihydro anthracene, and when it is heated, it form the, when it is heated, it form the 9-chloroanthracene. The attack is at 9 position. Similarly, in the Friedel curve acylation, the anthracene is subjected to react with the acetyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride, and acylation is reaction in the formed, and at the 9 position acyl group is attached. So that is the yield product is the 9-acetyl anthracene. And in case of the nitration is carried out in the with the nitric acid in the presence of the acetic anhydride, and that is the form the mixture of the one is mixture of the 9 nitroanthracene and 9,10 dinitroanthracene. And in the cases here you will see that the reagent used, that is the nitric acid and acetic anhydride. In the naphthalene cases we have used the concentrate mixture of the concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. And when this reagent is applied, carry out for the anthracene nitration, it's from the 9,10 anthraquinone and by the oxidation process. So nitration is not possible in that cases. So solvent is used with the acetic anhydride in that cases. In the sulfonation reaction and the further two reactions, sulfonation and Friedel curve electrophilic substitution reaction. In the reaction, the attack occurs at the C2 position according to that condition. In the sulfonation, there is a mixture of the two form, that is the 1-sulfonyl anthranilic acid or 2-sulfonyl anthranilic acid. When temperature is the low temperature is applied for the sulfonation process. Sulfonation is carried out in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and 60 degrees applied at 65 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Celsius, 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. Is the major product is the 1-sulfonyl anthranilic acid, and when the temperature is higher and at about 165 degrees Celsius, the major product is formed, that is the 2-sulfonyl anthranilic acid. And both the cases the mixture is the form, but depending on the temperature, the major product is the value. And another one is the Friedel curve acylation and the polar solvent. When we use the nonpolar solvent, the attack occurs at the C9 position, and when we use at the polar solvent, the attack occurs at the C1 position. And here is the reagent is the same acetyl chloride and aluminum chloride, and it forms the 1-acetyl anthracene. And further, there is there various electrophilic substitution reaction, and another reaction is the reduction, oxidation, and diol-aldehyde reaction of the anthracene. So we discuss about the remaining the other reaction of the anthracene, that is the reduction reaction, when it is reduced in the presence of the sodium alcohol, that is the reducing agent, and heat may be applied, and it is the saturated the middle ring of the anthracene and it formed like that. They saturated the middle ring of the anthracene and formed like that. That is the 9,10 dihydroanthracene. 9,10 hydrogen is added to 9,10 dihydroanthracene. When the reduction is carried out in the catalyst nickel or platinum, the whole ring of anthracene is saturated and it forms the parhydroanthracene. That is known as the parhydroanthracene. Both the cases here is the reducing agent used with the catalyst nickel or platinum, and here is the sodium ethanol is used as a reducing agent. In case of the oxidation, the naphthalene is carry out for the oxidation process in the presence of sodium dichromate and sulfuric acid, or we know oxygen or palladium pentoxide. Nitric acid, AR palladium pentoxide, nitric acid, or sodium dichromate. It oxidized, that is the oxidation reaction, oxidized, and it produced the 9,10 anthraquinone. We already studied the structure of the anthraquinone. Contain carbonyl group at 9 and 10 position. So that is the 9,10 anthraquinone. And the remaining one reaction is the diol-aldehyde reaction. And when anthracene is react with the malic anhydride, when anthracene is react with the malic anhydride, it the temper and heat may be applied in the diol-aldehyde reaction. Is the endoanthracene malic adduct একটা ফর্ম করে, বা সেটার স্ট্রাকচারটা এরকম। And that is the structure of the, that is the one adduct is formed, that is known as the endoanthracene malic adduct. Endoanthracene malic adduct, like that is the form, and that is the application of the diol-aldehyde reaction. What the application of the diol-aldehyde reaction, and this is the form. It's all about their electrophilic substitution reaction, their reduction, oxidation, and diol-aldehyde reaction. That is the chemical reaction under the anthracene molecule. And that is the use of the, it is used in the synthesis of the dye. The most dye is the alizarin, red colored dye, alizarin ড্রাই সিনথেসিস করতে এটা কাজে লাগে, যেটা হচ্ছে সিনথেসাইজ করা হয় অ্যান্থ্রাকুইনোন থেকে, 9,10 anthraquinone থেকে. So you can say that it is used for the synthesis of the anthraquinone, it is used for the synthesis of the alizarin dye or many others dye. It is used in the, already I told that it is UV tracer and blue fluorescence দেখায়. So it is used as the in the criminal investigation, and it is used also in the smoke screens. Smoke screens man ইন কেস অফ যেখানে কোনো লোকেশনে যদি মিলিটারি মুভমেন্ট হয় সেটাকে রেন্ডার বা হাইডিং করার ক্ষেত্রে একটা স্মোক ইউজ করা হয়, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য স্মোক স্ক্রিন, নোন অ্যাজ দ্য স্মোক স্ক্রিন, যেটা অ্যান্থ্রাসিন স্মোক স্ক্রিন প্রিপারেশনে ইউজ হয়। And that's all about the synthesis properties and chemical reaction of the anthracene. In the further classes we discuss about the some of the anthracene derivatives, like that is the anthraquinone, anthanone and 2-amino anthracene. That is the 3 derivatives we will discuss, and further we will discuss about the phenanthramine. That class is now completed about the anthracene, and if you having any doubt or need any having any question, we will discuss about the discussion class. Thank you all of you.